You and your partner both work full-time, bringing home over $100,000 a year. On paper, you should be ahead of everyone, with 2 paychecks and 2 401k matches hitting the same account every 2 weeks. But the savings account has $3,000 in it, and the credit card balance keeps climbing. You cannot figure out how 2 working adults are still stressed about money every single month. My name is Ryan. My wife and I used to make 6 figures combined and still had nothing left by the end of the month. Dual-income households carry 40% more debt than single-income households at the exact same income level. 2 paychecks create a psychological illusion of safety. You assume more earning power translates to more security, but that assumption often hides a growing list of liabilities. When one person earns $50,000, you build a lifestyle around $50,000. The apartment, the car, and the groceries all fit inside that single income. The second income is supposed to be the savings accelerator, the money that goes straight into an investment account to build long-term wealth. Instead, it becomes a lifestyle multiplier. The budget box doubles when the second paycheck arrives. 2 incomes mean a bigger apartment, 2 cars, and frequent dining out. With childcare costs added, the second salary is consumed by fixed bills. This expansion traps the couple into a zero-sum game, requiring both paychecks just to break even and removing any financial margin for error. Elizabeth Warren called this the 2-income trap. Warren is a U.S. senator and former law professor who studied the financial mechanics of middle-class bankruptcy. She found that as dual-income families earn more, they commit a higher percentage of their money to fixed, inescapable monthly expenses. When expenses require both incomes to be met, losing one job does not just tighten the budget, it collapses the entire household economy. Basing your standard of living on 2 paychecks removes the safety net that protects your family from a single stroke of bad luck. We see the cost of this trap by looking at 2 identical households, A and B, both earning a combined $110,000 a year. Household A uses both incomes to support their expanded lifestyle, saving only $200 a month. Household B lives entirely on the first income and invests the entire $3,200 second paycheck. After 10 years at 8%, Household A has $37,000. Household B has $571,000. This $500,000 gap shows that wealth is determined by how you structure your lifestyle, not just the size of your gross earnings. The fix is to anchor your entire household standard of living strictly to the lower of your 2 incomes. Treat the second paycheck as if it does not exist by automating 100% of it into savings and investments before it hits the checking account. If you lose one job, nothing in your daily life changes. If you keep both jobs, you build wealth at twice the speed of your peers. Capping your expenses at 1 income allows you to survive a job loss while accelerating your path to financial independence.